Senior Launcher. How to make Android easy for senior users? I'll show you in this video how you can do that. So keep watching the video. I'll show you how we can set up this Android phone specifically for senior friendly. So let's get started. So on your phone, just open up any Google browser and then just type in Ggen Launcher. Okay, we're going to install this Ggen Launcher. Go to the official website, which is ggen.com. So just go to the official website. If the website is in non-English, you can simply just translate it to English. So you can just click on the three dots here on your top right, hit on translate, and then translate it to English. You can just do that if it's not in English. Okay, so go to this website here, and then first we go to download the launcher first. So we're going to just do that first. So you can hit on translate to translate the page. So now it's been translated. So now what we're going to do here is you're going to go to this website here and click on the options here. Click on app download. Okay, so tap on the app download from your top right, three lines there. Tap on it and then hit on app download, and that will take you to this apps page here. Okay, so from here, tap on download. Okay, and download the file. And once you've downloaded the file, install the file once you have been downloaded. So tap on it to download it. So once downloaded, so now go to your downloads, and then I've got it here. Just tap on it and try to install it. So it's going to ask you want to open with the installer. Yep, click on the package installer and then install the app on your phone. Okay, so you just have to follow a few on-screen prompts and just install it to have it installed on your phone. So once you have installed it, launch the app, and then you're going to give in the necessary permissions for the app to use. So like your contacts, phone numbers, SMS, false media, microphone, all these things. So you can just give all these permissions so that you can access those ones, and hit on continue. Okay, so click on OK. So now, okay, so this is fine. So you can click on remember. Okay, so you're going to just click on these, remember, and then you can click on this, hit on remember. It's just setting up the initial things. That's fine. So now here, what you're going to do, you're going to change the language to English. So to do this, so once you're on this page here, so you're going to do click on this option here to on your bottom right, the one that's on your bottom right. So click on it to set it up, to finish up setting up the home screen for you. So just tap on it, and there you go. So it will now show up your home screen here. So if you want to set it as your default home screen, just okay, so this is now your default home screen. So if you want to show it again, you can go to settings and then change it. Otherwise, that's fine. Okay, so just do that, and then now there you go. So now this is your home screen now. So whenever you go to home, this is what you will see. So now on your home screen, you only have the essential features like the date and time, the gallery, phone, messages. That's it. Okay, so if you swipe to the next page, you will see more options, like other few options here. So similar to here, so this is your contacts. On your first page, you will have your important contacts. So here on your first page here, you can tap on add, and then add whoever your important contacts are. You can just add them. Next page here, you have your apps, and then the third page here, you have your other apps here. So this is your settings and your other apps here. And if you want to access all your other apps that you that are on your phone, you can tap on the app option here, and then this will list out all the apps that's on your phone and everything, so which you can go through and open it up. You can just tap on it to simply open up that app here. So okay, now that you have the app here, so if you want to, for example, access your messages, tap on the messages, and it will take you to your messages here. And you can see, you can access your messages. Same with phone here. And if you swipe one page here, just swipe it one, and here you will get to your apps. So if you, for example, if you go to your apps here and then click on the three lines on your top right, you can actually uninstall apps from here, or you can add to your home screen and everything. So if you want to add app to your home screen, tap on add apps, and then select which app you want to add to your home screen. So for example, if I want to add something, let me choose an app. So for example, a X, so Twitter. So I'm going to select that and then add to home screen. Okay, click on OK, and then here, so once I get to this page here, so as you can see, if If I scroll here, I will have X here. So similarly, you can add apps, those ones that you frequently use and all those things, to these your home screen here. So this is going to be a new home screen. As you can see, it's pretty, like, it's customized, and there's not much stuff on your home screen. It's pretty compact and easy to access and looks clean and everything. So you only have what is required for you, and it's quite big and everything, the letters and everything. So it's quite ideal for like seniors and elderly people to use and handle. So it's it's a pretty good launcher for seniors. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in a new video.